So the biggest priority for the family was to be able to entertain. They have a larger extended family, and be able to have neighbors and friends and family over on the weekends to watch football. They love sports, so they wanted an outside entertainment area so that they could share with all their friends. To accommodate all the things that they wanted in one space, I put it together piece by piece and tried to make sure that there were definite separated living spaces that all were cohesive together. So here we have an entertainment space, the area that has what we call an entertainment wall with the TV, couch, kind of a loungy area. We have a barbecue, which is a separate space. It has the stools and the counter there for kids to sit at. Then there's a dining space, and that's where the whole family can gather. The space is big enough to put 2 or 3 tables. And then the fire pit is over on the removed side yard area. And the way that I connected the two was to put these floating modular concrete pieces that run through the turf, kind of leads your eye down to the other side. I think my favorite part about this job is the fire pit area. One of the things that we did to kind of make it stand out a little differently is that we elevated it by 1 step. And I just love the way it looks. It has a concrete border and it has the 4 poles holding up the market light. It's just so intimate and cute. I love it. My advice to people that have tricky or disconnected outdoor spaces is to hire a designer, for sure. It's really important to get somebody who has an outside eye to come in and can look at it with a fresh look.